Are you tired of looking in the mirror and seeing stubborn belly fat that just won't go away? You're not alone, and the good news is, you can start changing that today. Right at home. No gym membership. No fancy equipment. Just your determination and a small space to move. Today, we're diving into 5 highly effective belly fat burning exercises that not only target your midsection but also help tone your body, boost your metabolism, and improve your core strength. And the best part? They're easy to follow, beginner-friendly, and take less than 30 minutes. Let's begin. 1. High knees, metabolic ignition. First up, high knees. This dynamic, cardio-intensive movement fires up your metabolism and gets your heart pumping. It's an excellent way to warm up your entire body while directly targeting belly fat through calorie burn. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Start jogging in place, lifting your knees as high as possible toward your chest. Pump your arms as if you're sprinting. Do 3 sets of 30 to 40 seconds. Tip: keep your abs tight and focus on speed. Why it works: high knees increase your heart rate and improve circulation. They're fantastic for activating your core muscles and jump-starting fat loss, especially in the lower abdominal area. 2. Mountain climbers, full core fire. Now let's bring the heat with mountain climbers. This movement combines cardio and core training in one powerful package. Start in a push-up/plank position. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Quickly alternate bringing each knee toward your chest, as if you're running horizontally. Do 3 sets of 40 seconds. Tip: keep your hips level and core engaged, don't let your back sag. Why it works: mountain climbers activate your entire abdominal wall, boost endurance, and help burn calories fast. They're excellent for targeting deep belly fat. 3. Bicycle crunches, waistline toner. Third on our list, bicycle crunches. This move is a staple in most of routines for a reason. It targets both upper and lower abs, and even works the obliques, your side abdominal muscles. Lie on your back. Place your hands lightly behind your head. Bring your knees up into a tabletop position. Now, alternate bringing each elbow to the opposite knee, twisting through the core. Think of pedaling a bicycle. Do 3 sets of 20 to 25 reps per side. Tip: move slowly and with control. Don't just swing, really feel the twist. Why it works: bicycle crunches improve flexibility and coordination while melting away fat from your waist. You'll feel the burn, and that's a good sign. 4. Plank with hip dips, deep core strength. Next, we move into plank with hip dips. This is a controlled movement that targets your transverse abdominis, the deep core muscle that acts like a natural corset. Get into a forearm plank position. Keep your elbows beneath your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Slowly rotate your hips side to side, gently dipping them toward the floor. Do 3 sets of 20 dips. Tip: don't rush. Keep your core tight and avoid letting your lower back drop. Why it works: this movement tones your waistline and stabilizes your spine, which improves posture and reduces belly bulge. 5. Flutter kicks, lower ab attack. Our final move is flutter kicks. These are perfect for strengthening the lower abs and improving your core endurance. Lie on your back, hands under your hips. Lift both legs off the ground a few inches. Alternate small, quick kicks up and down, keeping your core tight and your legs straight. Do 3 sets of 30 to 45 seconds. Tip: don't let your feet hit the ground. Keep them floating throughout the set. Why it works: flutter kicks challenge your abdominal stability and zero in on the lower belly, a problem area for many. Bonus tips for maximum results. These exercises are powerful, but results depend on more than just movement. To really flatten your belly and reveal those toned abs, combine these workouts with smart lifestyle choices. Eat a high-protein, whole food diet, ditch processed sugars and refined carbs. Go for lean meats, eggs, Greek yogurt, legumes, nuts, and plenty of greens. Stay hydrated, aim for at least 8 cups of water a day. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep increases cortisol, a hormone that promotes belly fat. Stay consistent, repeat this workout 4 to 5 times a week for noticeable results in 4 to 6 weeks. Remember, belly fat doesn't disappear overnight. But it does respond to effort, consistency, and small daily choices. Every rep you do, every clean meal you eat, every time you choose movement over the couch, you're taking control of your body and your health. This 5-move routine is more than a workout, it's a step toward a stronger, healthier, and more confident you. So let's do a quick recap. 1. High knees, burn fat fast. 2. Mountain climbers, strengthen core and cardio. 3. Bicycle crunches, sculpt upper and lower abs. 4. Plank hip dips, define your waist. 5. Flutter kicks, lower ab focus. Repeat these regularly and you'll not only see change, you'll feel it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video. Comment, "Let's burn belly fat," if you're ready to transform. Subscribe and turn on the bell for more fat loss workouts. Your dream body is just a few consistent choices away. You've got this.